scrambled egg, Chipotle sauce toast sandwich. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the scrambled egg recipes and one of the most unique of the Chipotle sauce recipes and one of the most delicious of the French toast recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the bread egg recipes. Today we are going to make scrambled egg Chipotle sauce toast sandwich. The ingredients are 1 egg, 1 onion cut into pieces, around 25 grams of garlic cut into pieces, and 1 tomato cut into small pieces. Heat the pan and pour in 10 ml of oil. Put in the onion pieces, the garlic, salt, until the onions lose their pinkish color. And golden brown. Saute. Then salt to taste. Salt and nuts. Salt and mix the salt nicely into the mixture. Now put in the tomato pieces, salt, crush the tomato piece. Keep on tomato. Breaking the egg and let it fry for around 90 seconds. Now scramble the egg and mix. Thoroughly mix and scramble the egg for around 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, take off the flame and use it for the further preparation of the dish. Now put in the chipotle sandwich spread into the scrambled egg, around 200 grams or 150 grams. Mix the chipotle sauce with the scrambled egg thoroughly until the mixture is evenly mixed. Take 8 slices of bread. Take a slice and apply the scrambled egg chipotle sauce mixture on the bread. Apply evenly. Now take another slice and cover. Cover the other slice to make the sandwich and keep it aside. Now apply the egg chipotle sauce mixture again as earlier. On the bread, apply it evenly. And repeat the procedure as earlier by taking a slice and covering the applied slice to make another sandwich. Break in 2 eggs into the bowl. Thoroughly mix the yellow and the white together. Put in salt to taste. Mix thoroughly. Mix the salt into the egg thoroughly. Heat the pan and pour in 10 ml oil. Let the oil get heated. Now dip the sandwich in the egg mixture. And put it onto the pan. Let it fry. Turn it to the other side. And let it fry. Turn it around. Turn it to another side. And fry by turning from side to side. Until the sandwich becomes golden in color. Now take off the plate. And onto the plate. Now dip the next sandwich into the egg mixture and put it on the pan. Turn it to the other side. Keep on turning from side to side until the sandwich is nice golden brown. Move the sandwich around so that it does not get stuck. Turn it to the other side. Now, when both sides are nicely done, it can be taken off the flame and onto the pan. Do this with the next sandwiches. Repeat the procedure. This is the final scrambled egg Chipotle sauce toast sandwich. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the bread egg recipes and one of the most unique of the Chipotle sauce recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the scrambled egg recipes and one of the most different of the bread sandwich recipes and one of the most nutritious of the egg recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.